Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, she's sharp. Hey guys, Patrick here. Today I want to show you a very sweet knife from a new to me knife company. This is from WIXCO. They sent this over to me to check out. The packaging on this is really stinking nice. This box, it just looks really cool. I dig it a lot. I just am a fan of good packaging. Here's the actual case that it comes in. And this thing is very nice as well. This is going to have a, yep, that's a little like removable patch piece, which is really cool. WIXCO. That is sweet. I like that. All right, let's open this up. And inside, we are going to have a little card. We passionately present high-quality knives in a dynamic, youthful style. We've got a cleaning cloth with the WIXCO label. A nice interior on this case. And then this, my friends, is what we wanted to see. Woo, 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 woo. That is gorgeous. Oh my Lanta, that is nice. Beautiful deep carry pocket clip. We have an additional little hole here if you wanted to add a paracord or lanyard. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. All right, so some quick stats on this. This is going to be 7.1 inches when fully open and deployed. The handle is 4.21 inches. The blade is 3.35 inches. And this thing is just sweet looking. All right, so let's open this up, see what we think, and we'll go over a few of the other items with it. On this one, you're going to have your thumb studs, dual thumb studs, some jimping up top right here, and nice and smooth. Oh my goodness, look at that blade shape. That is wicked. Now, this one is called the Vortex. That's a cool name. Never heard that one before. That blade shape is just freaking phenomenal. Oh my goodness. This knife is going to come in weighing at 2.47 ounces. So nice and lightweight. This is just so sick, dude. Look at that. That is beautiful. This is going to be a shredded carbon fiber handle. This has 14C28 in blade steel. I just cannot get over this. Now, I don't know for sure, but I want to check something out here. This, to me, looks like it might actually glow under a UV light. So let's check it out. Oh, man. That is sick, dude. Ooh! Do you see that? I got my UV light on it. That shredded carbon handle is just freaking glowing. That's sick. Oh, my gosh. That is so dope. Wow. Okay, it looks great. It feels great in the hand. Nice and smooth liner lock. I do like liner locks, but sometimes, whoo, snappy. Sometimes they're just not the best, I guess, as far as how smooth they open or close. This one is very smooth. You can even see it's got a nice beveled edge right there. That actually closes and opens very, very nicely and smooth. That blade shape, oh my gosh. That's just wicked. Super, super smooth and snappy. Just freaking give it a little whoop and just flies open. You could also just slow roll this if you wanted to. You could reverse flip if you wanted to as well. That is nice. Now, I'm not 100% sure yet. I'll have to try it out, but it looks like we could probably adjust the thumb studs if we wanted to have it at a different spot if you needed to. That is nice and snappy. So let's see, is she sharp? Got some shipping stickers here we'll try it with. Ooh-hoo-hoo! Yeah, she's sharp. That is so smooth. Oh my. That is slick. That little, like, it almost is like a claw. That is so sick on this blade. Phenomenal. Feels great in the hand. You have that nice jimping up here so you can get a good grip with your thumb. This thing is smooth and snappy. It is on ceramic bearings. That is so sweet. If you're looking for a fantastic knife, dude, this is sweet. And that shredded carbon fiber handle, oh my gosh, especially under the UV light, that is just so sick. I would definitely recommend checking this out. This is a really stinking cool knife. This is a cool one from WIXCO. It's definitely worth checking this out. If you get one, I hope you love it.